Hare Krishna everyone. My name is Manav Desai and today we will talk about importance of EQ in leadership. So first of all, what is EQ? The ability to recognize, understand and manage emotions in oneself and others is a crucial skill in the modern business environment. Unlike IQ, which measures cognitive abilities, EQ focuses on interpersonal skills and emotional awareness, making it very helpful for leadership, teamwork and decision making. Let's talk about its impact. The first impact is on leadership. Leaders with high IQ inspire trust, motivate teams and handles conflicts with empathy. They can navigate challenges with composure and adapt their management style to individuals' team members' need. For example, a manager who recognizes his employees' stress level can offer support or adjust workload, which increase employees' loyalty and productivity. The second one is team collaboration. High IQ enhances teamwork by fostering mutual respect and open communication. Employees with strong emotional intelligence can manage interpersonal dynamics, resolve conflicts, and build strong working relationships. The third one is decision making. Emotional intelligence helps leaders managing bias and stress, which leads to more thoughtful and balanced decisions. By staying calm under pressure, high IQ individuals can weigh options without being overly influenced by the emotions. The fourth one is conflict resolution. In any workplace, conflicts are inevitable. EQ enables individuals to address disagreement constructively, ensuring solutions are reached without damaging relationships. And the last one is adaptability to change. Business environments are constantly evolving. High EQ helps individuals and teams cope with uncertainty, embrace changes, and remain resilient during challenging times. So, thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day.